Hi, I'm Stuti and I'm here to share my experience working with Decorilla on our custom home. The way the process works is initially 2 to 3 designers submit their concepts or templates based on your inspiration, your photographs, your measurements, what you want, what you don't want, and then you choose your designer. They were super efficient and super responsive right from the beginning because our living, dining, and kitchen were an open concept but still integrated. They took it as one project and they started working on all the 3 spaces together. So we actually did start our kitchen first because we wanted to get our cabinets made.
One of the reasons you should definitely consider designing before taking the plunge is the confidence the visualization process gives you before you actually go and make that investment.
And that was really impressive. The 3D renderings are just out of the world. You literally see your vision in front of your eyes before it's even constructed or built. She went over and above what we asked for, suggested some changes, continuously incorporated our feedback, and I think that is one of the best things about Decorilla. They really value the client feedback and what the client wants, and they would keep that feedback loop going on till you're really happy with your results. And the spaces came out to be wonderful. We finalized our living, kitchen, and dining and our primary bath, and I think now that our home is done, it is very close to what we designed with them, 90 to 95%.
Our builder has actually shown our house to a couple of his prospective customers, and all of them have been in awe of the media wall.
So very happy with them. Decorilla is the one to go for if you just want to design your spaces sitting at home. Thank you.